Having good data is imperative to making good decisions when you're running a business. If you don't have good data, you're kind of operating on just your gut feel. But let's say that you are interested in improving your sales processes. By having good data, what you can do is you can really look at those processes at a granular level. So you can look at, how do we perform by lead source? How do our salespeople perform? How do our salespeople perform with different lead sources? Which lead sources are actually profitable for us? Looking at a metric like average revenue per lead from different lead sources, right? So you can figure out, how do we want to distribute our salespeople across leads, right? Maybe one is more effective with cold calling. One's really good at going and playing golf with people and building relationships, right? You want to stack those resources in the way that's going to be most effective. How do we want to spend our advertising dollars, right? Well, by looking at how profitable you are in those different sources, you can really digest what's going to be the most profitable activities you can invest in from an advertising perspective. But if you don't have data on all of that information, you're really just kind of operating by gut feel, like, which salesperson do I think is most effective? Which lead source do I think is best? And you have an idea in your head, but without the numbers, you're not really making data-informed decisions. And that same logic extrapolates to every process in your organization, right? You're either operating by gut feel, or you have hard numbers that tell you what's effective, what's not, and where are areas of improvement.